Alright guys, getting into loading the tune here on the Mark 7. First thing is you have to make sure during the upload that the battery doesn't die. So we have that hooked up to the charger. We put this nifty little hook up in there. This port just stays directly in there, and then this port hooks right up to the shop. Inside here we have Mr. Rob getting ready with the IE tune. You plug into the OBD port. Supposed to add 100 horses here.
Version 1.5.
So we're back with the 2017 Golf R. It's December 4th, 2024. And we are going to flash the tune, IE tune, for 93 octane, low torque, stage 1 IE file. And we're gonna go for a ride, see if it makes a difference. Alright guys, it's been like about 10 minutes now. We are uploading the stage 1 tune, and can't stress enough to have the car plugged in, because you do not want the battery to die in the middle of doing this. Yeah, it feels like it's breaking up a little bit.
Breaking up a lot.
It's slipping a little bit too. The car did flash a code, but it's probably adapting to everything too.
There should be no adaptation.
At this point, the check engine light isn't on, but it's very obvious to Rob and I that something's not right. At this point, we decide to turn around and head back to base. Yeah, it's not liking that. Right now, we need to get this car hooked back up to the laptop and scan it for codes. Be on the lookout for the next episode.